Guys, I had some shocking news. Stock photography as we know it, it's done. Everything is changing. I'm gonna be putting a link in the video description. Make sure to check it out so you can get the article and get the information right from the source. Some of the biggest stock sites just announced that AI images, AI generated content is replacing humans 100%. They say these masterpieces are just the way of the future. Are you serious? What do? You just throw my camera away? Oh, but don't worry, there's a new trend, a new stock photography category that's crazier than ever. And this is literally out there, but keep in mind that in 2019, a banana duct taped to a white wall sold for $6.24 million. So this, it's hard to believe, but look at this. Look at these trends. This photo literally just sold for $5,000 because of the caption, existential crisis. How about this one? Lost in the void. Top seller this month, lost in the void. Seriously? Keywords like nothing, emptiness, deep concept. Stock houses, the stock agencies are saying this is the purest form of photography. No camera needed. If that wasn't enough, check this one out. This one literally blew my mind. AI generated models are becoming self-aware and now they're suing photographers. What? AI models are now demanding royalties from photographers. They say they work hard too because we're using their likeness in our photographs. Like, how does it make any sense? I knew it was coming, I just didn't know it was this quick. So now that I'm changing careers, let me know if anyone's hiring. I was a bartender for many years. I got tons of experience. People person, I throw bottles up in the air and stuff. Sometimes I catch them. Or maybe I'll just keep shooting because today is April 1st. So April Fools.
What the?
It's the first time I do one of these here on the channel. Maybe I got carried away, maybe not. If you want to learn about the reality of stock photography, watch this video right here. I know it says 2024, but not much has changed since I made that video. It still applies, and I think it is worth watching. So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.